Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely from She Buys It. I am here at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I want you to join me November 6th through the 9th, 2019, especially if you're already in First Still Done Fast. If you already got one of these FTDF shirts, then I need you to be here at the Mill and Mine November 6th through the 9th, 2019. Now, if you're already in First Still Done Fast, why do you need to come to the live event? Because nothing online can replace live interaction, face-to-face, talking on breaks, learning new information, and actually having the internet come to life. Yes. If you're in First Still Done Fast, if you're in the FTDF family, I want you to go to SheBuysItLive.com and get a ticket, get the VIP ticket to She Buys It Live. Come join me here in Knoxville, Tennessee at the Mill and Mine, November 6th through the 9th, 2019. Nothing online replaces spending 3 or 4 days live and in person with other real estate investing badasses all over the country. All right, women are going to be coming from California, from Pennsylvania, from Florida. They're going to drive from Georgia. They're coming from Louisiana, Texas. They're flying in. Women are coming from all over the country, already involved in real estate investing. And FTDF, I want you to be here. If you already have a First Still Done Fast shirt, you need to be here. Or if you're in First Still Done Fast and you want one of the shirts, you got to be at She Buys It Live. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get your ticket.